Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
My brothers and sisters, I greet everybody. Just fast one, quick one, because I don't want to waste my time. I don't even get that time like that. You get waiting. I don't know what they worry some of our people. Some of them, their brain, whether they turn upside down, don't know. This matter of this lady, Jama's first lady, Mondailo, he not call let them rest. He not call let them put for ground. What did they worry them? I don't want even make sure they are they know their self. They know their self for them. Because in when me a bury man. When they talk about Mondailo, this thing, this woman don't come out, can't say, I apologize to my Mondailo. Or marry you when I aware, they mock the lady. Because the lady know they come out, can't they talk? Let me kuna see they talk. If you see them now where they talk about this Mondailo of 18, Mondailo they not get to. Mondailo one they see once in 10 years. What is the word now? No get sense. Some of them, most especially they know their self because I don't want to even make sure their name. Don't they do anyhow? What did they do now? Because the lady know they come out, come they reply una see they mock her, una see they curse her. Have you not say Jama first lady not sabi talk? What did they do now? I too much like that lady because any such guy no get time. Just they do her, but una want they draw a leg. Una no get what you want do for his house. Una don't abandon our children for inside there. Whether na even get I don't know for una. We need wa munya wa koki wa kwe wa munya. What did they do now? If you want even talk about Mondailo, you know say you don't get Mondailo. Not be say you not get. You get your own day for Africa. You they see her once in 20 years. That one a Mondailo. We are talking about Mondailo where you they see all the time. And this thing don't even close. The husband even come and say, he want make this thing make it close like that. Omagyo waya one. Una see the carry una put her for head. Una carry her like contract. What did they do? Now what did make una they cause the woman? Because the woman not they talk. Una don't see Bini Percy where not sabi talk or where not sabi find trouble. You know they. How you respect in egbe that's all. If I see all this kind thing, I'll say this one, all this. But winning now, one whether they go to why name what? Today na Sunday. Instead of you to stay with your own children, you carry another person matter. Or you cocky munya wa mukia no bu wenye. Who turn and say Jama first lady no sabi talk? I'm gonna be with sana rotin. Just something day where person will say, I don't want reply. But not be someone call the mocker more and more. Una don't give her a name. Or marry for wamukia. If another person want go down one. Why do you down? Una not try now. The person, if you come out once, the person go come out 2 times. I'ma go wagwan. Why go yegbe? What did they do now? Una just carry person matter. Wamukia. The man come out. He said make this thing may finish like that. Una no green. Una no want me finish like that. Una see the carry on. They insult the girl. They insult the woman joiner. Especially the Africa Jama first lady, not just they insult her. The woman sabi talk. Now because he get husband for his house, now make she know they talk. You know, say something there, your husband say, I don't want may you belong. Then you come up for there. Because say the lady know they talk to her now. Why you very yakin too one okoto? You know they follow now they do saga. Mona leave her for waste. Una no one leave her for waste. One not very my brothers and sisters because sometimes if they look some of our people, I go they imagine say where this one for come out, where you for come out. You know say person they quarrel. Another person come okay husband come say this thing may die like that. More na forget, more na I beg. The man come out he talk and say make this thing may come out, may just finish like that. Some people they don't want me finish like that. Then they draw the leg of the lady. Then they draw a leg, they draw a hand. They give her all sorts of name. Even why if they talk to her now they cry. But una sabi they mock another person. If you know say you know one, make them do it to you, not do it to other person. The case it don't close. Mona leave everything like that. Mona not continue to insult the woman. The woman sabi talk like now. I be una say you know sabi talk. Even me where they talk, so nothing say me not sabi find trouble. But you know say sometimes you know why make you belong to that people. You just say me I comot myself. Now that Jama first lady they do. I be where go where una don't see Benin person when not sabi talk. You know they. You know they. Because I say the lady did not they talk. Una just use and tell una use the head to sit down. What is the worry on them? Mona get sense. Mona get sense. You will not see anything to do. Mona carry on children. Whether not get children, Mona carry them go play for guiding. Or Mona they cook for her husband. Instead of una one they come out, cause they talk. Wait, it don't pass. It don't pass. That one don't pass. Since the man don't come out, he don't talk. Make them settle themselves. No need to they carry the woman. They insult the lady again. On a this one they talk say my gbani viedo. Wana no down or where na egu ma gbani viedo. When they don't talk something say this thing may finish like that. Some of them they'll say they not agree. It not go finish like that. I be not say the woman not sabi talk. If na mognika na they try to. Wa me God you were when naked wade. What is they breed that nonsense? Fear go let una try to another person. Where sabi even where see get mad, where see like saga like una. Because I say the lady no want do saga. No, una must draw the leg. Emi babo. You just go there, mother-in-law, they don't give the girl name. In winner egg bu wa gbon you no do the social media. Una not get another topic again. No get sense. Wait till you know say they do it to you. You not go like am. No do it to other person. No do it to other people because they no still like am. If no how way, will be why. What is the word on now? Person day when not sabi talk, or person day when you just the cost since morning go say no talk to you. Side young when the lady come out now, they'll come say Jama first lady don't start. She no want talk to her now no one hear. Useless set of people. I know they like all these things. Una way no girls mother-in-law. What you now want to talk for mother-in-law matter? You not get your own mother-in-law is there for Africa. Now once in 20 years, now you take the same. How you know say your mother-in-law na good pass? Because if you send 50 year ago give her, he go they pray for you. You don't sit down with her, you don't stay with her, may you see whether na real mother-in-law with that one way go carry you, he go put you for back. All this thing of mother-in-law, I just see some of them. Just they know it be mother-in-law. You never know it be mother-in-law. Not talk put. Since the case don't stick close, you go forget like that. Have a way. Have a way no long marry. My people, this thing they vex me. If I see person way not they talk, set of people they want me they oppress. I know they like her. That lady know they talk. She they do her thing, they go. She they do her thing. But if you read the other side, they go they curse her. If you read the other side, they go they curse her. Waiting. Una still get to know for body. Even me where they talk, I still get my own. Don't man no phone na bag money. Don't man no phone na. Ave we no lonare na me. Now so I get his story. Now so I not get his story. Now so they say this one. Una no go rest. Una no get una o. Una lock una for his ass. Come they carry another person yo. Put for head. Contract. Now carry for contract or Maggie for. So people just they do anyhow. Now they do what the person they talk to now. Because I don't want even make sure una name because the thing they get as they do me for body. I just see some video and I say, see on this one. Una get to now. Oh, pekenye. Who are ya wo? Now you say rob. Now come out in the morning, in the afternoon, the evening. What una they talk? Una they insult the lady. Even well, we do no one bini person we not sabi talk or we not sabi find trouble. He dey unless he wear Donny and Abio. He not dey. Sometimes you don't want me, you respect yourself. I don't want me, I go there. I don't want me, I talk to them. Does that mean say she knows a bit talk? It not mean say she knows a bit talk, eh? She felt talk and say now her husband, now make her, now make she can't calm. Now make her she can't calm. What do they call you? Chance, what do you want to use my face to do? You decrease? Why you want to see my face? What do you want to use my face to do? Now that one we can't talk for you. Not let me block you as I be block where eh? I don't they like rubbish. I they talk to people where they understand. Eh? Okay, show your face. Well, if you see my face, what do you want to use and to do? You not reach to see my face. Yeah. If you just see some people, they'll carry matter. They'll put her for head. They carry, they go. Eh? Una no get respect. That's una get respect. Don't forget this matter. Keep her for one corner. Since they don't talk her, whether they talk her for his house, they don't talk her. Since the son don't come and they don't talk, say, wala wo beg all of una. Mona end this thing. Una don't want hear. Wama myoke herebo ne wa ewe. No one here. If una come out, una they insult the lady. Una come out, una they insult the Africa Jama's first lady. Una can't turn the name to another thing. Huh? Una not get to now. Abi una think say person no fit still give una name. Person fit still give una name. Una join enter social media. Una not get wetin una want talk. Una not get the topic wey una want talk. Another person issue una put for head. They carry they go. Una they insult the person. They insult her. Una know so una no fit try am to another person. Now because of say she know they talk. Or maybe can always say she go come out come chop una. Nonsense. Abi na alone na sabi talk. Another person no sabi talk. Not be as you get man, na so she get mad. All respected by that so because who are respected buwa. Or that for one way 10. You see her husband tell her say me she not come out again. Or magila dian una if your husband tell her say mo na sit down for his house. Now say wetin dey breed that one. Na inside social media now they come. I mean money respect or not in your wa. I don't know wetin the social media where did they give una self. Whether another thing now they find for there, not know for una. You don't enter na brain. Now the mona stop to the insult person wey no insult una. Mona stop am. Person wey not find una. Mona stop am. What you know say they do unto you go pay you. Not do unto another person. Mona not do unto another person. Okay, bungbegi tiao. Rubbish. Now come on, now come they insult her every blessed day. What did they breed that one? Huh? What did they breed that one? They don't do it to you. No, they're not doing it to you. Why they do it to another person? They give you for contract or maybe for a contract in it. If you not get what you want to talk, you go talk another thing. Not come and come they insult the lady every blessed day. Person way no they talk. If I see say person go they chook his hand, they draw a leg, they draw his hand. The thing go they pay me. The person not they talk, you know me say not sabi talk, eh? No Benin person wey not sabi find trouble or wey not sabi talk, you not dey. I respect it, but that's all. Does that mean you do where you do funny? Maybe look where they are, me. If you decrease for road, I can't see they follow you decrease. But you have to use your number 7. Say this way they do not good. If they do it to you, you not like her. Mona stop her. Mona stop her. Oh, what to agbe? Now I make all other people they look us one kind they call all this. See another one don't come that they say he say Benin people. They insult all Benin people because of una. I don't want to reply to that one. I don't want to reply to that one. Say Benin people because if you want to insult people, you say some, not say all. Not say all. Now because of una they chop una self. What can they eat una self? This Africa Jama first lady. Where you for con? Not be Edo State. You where they do about that be the cost and where you for con? Not be the same thing. Not be the same thing. Oh boy, monjoa be your maybe no way. What he do you? You know see something to say he do you now. Just because of say he mother look carry matter come. The woman don't rest. You know they talk again. Don't finish. But una not come finish. Una say no. Una go use and take do contract. They give una for contract. Who I am talk. Not because of say the lady not they talk. Like say they talk. Una for don't enter us. Because you cost and 1, it cost you 3. You go enter. I be tell you say no sabi talk. Nobody knows I be find trouble. Nobody knows I be talk. Just say something there, you go say no. I don't want to enter inside. I want to respect myself. I want to come up for there. I not belong to. Because we are not more the bottom now. We not get sense. That's all not get sense. Person don't come out. They don't conclude. Come up for there. Come out your hand for your body. I told you we will not get any issue. If not because of say mother-in-law bring and come from social media. You will get issue. You will don't fight. No. Even though son even don't fight. What it can concern you. Still for you talk as small, not issue. 1, 2, you not issue. You want carry. You want to do go make you want carry and go to do Christmas. May go reach December. I bet more stop all these things. I know they like at all. I know some na still be small picking because person on my normal mature, they know they do that nonsense. You know they do it. No, they do it. More na try, more na wise. Not be everything. You go just dead there. You go they mock the person. You go they press her because you know they no one reply you. You go they press her. You go they hit her. Who tell you say no sabi talk? Eh? The lady sabi talk. As you get your mouth like this whether they call papagalo, this what is they call them? What is they call them for English? If I know even the mona no blame me. Papagalo now with they call them this parrot, parrot. You think say the woman not sabi? It sabi. It sabi, eh? Ellie, thank you, my sister. I know they like people. I know they like people where they do like say they over sabi. The over sabi go come too much. They can't do it in a way. You go come say they know you go well nana. Eh? I don't even talk about these things because I know say the lady she they do her thing. She know they find trouble. They just they do how they go. If not because of say what it can't happen, you for not even hear her voice. But some of our people they not like her. They want make she they talk, make she they do saga. Now that one night they want because now that one night that they draw a leg they come now make she come because if you just go Facebook you go see person for them. If you go social media, if you go YouTube you go see they go na mother-in-law with they can't give her name. They dey na get abi they dey na waiting. Wetin they worry on now? Wetin una be? Eh? Una come be they dey na nyongi abi waiting. Huh? Useless people. When I don't know na left and right. Una no go rest. Now just wake up like this. You can't give person name. And then at this. You can't be waiting. You're giving that. Eh? Before you they give person name, fair look yourself. Huh? You fair look yourself. There must be one thing for your body where person go see you say they laugh you. Eh? Something must there where person go see use and say laugh you. Because of say the woman no come talk to una no one rest. Eh? No one rest. Because so what that for eh? All respect on that for my you want respect on that for one because no get respect for na husband side. If na husband say one, una go tell and say what you they talk now you they command me. Eh? How person go no my brothers and sisters really how person go come out every blessed day till they insult one person. She not do you anything, oh. She not do you anything. You would never even quarrel. Just because of social media. You just put the waiting Mondailo carry call. You can't put them for head. You they carry they go. You they take and take the insult and every blessed day. That one good. It's very bad. Eh? We will get Mondailo. We keep quiet. I even talk on that day. I even forget that thing. Una we not get Mondailo for. Una not even know what it be Mondailo. Once a year, maybe una go send the Hollandis go give you a Mondailo. How your Mondailo not go good? You go they pray for you now. You don't sit down with her. Eh? People will get Mondailo. Make them talk. Then sit talk. We talk. We even come up for them. But una just put her for head. Come they insult the lady. I know they like all these things. I know they like her. Eh? You know good. Because if they still do it to you, me go still come out. I go still talk say, what you know this woman not good. Oh my know me na way when they will be why. So about you one when you know say this thing they do it to you go pay you, not do it to other person. because we dey social media. The lady never offend any of una. Even though say don't even offend una. Una for respect the husband. The husband don't come. He talk. Everybody wala woman forget this issue. May not continue. Una wa go wa mu yo to no bun wa nyano. Una no wa remove una hand. Una wa put fire. Now make me they talk and say social media. Then they destroy. They know they repair. Nya zaga. If you carry a con, they go spoiler for you. You go come they blame yourself. I don't know. Some people say if you get issue, carry and come. If you just carry and come, let's you use indirect to the issue. Because if you say now you happen to, now that one I don't say they laugh you. Till you come up for social media. They go make sure say they use and say laugh you. Till you go say I know they do again. I want come out. This thing I don't take it don't pass 2 weeks now when this thing there for ground. Some people, some group of people, they don't want to remove their hand. They see they insult the lady. Huh? I bet my brothers and sisters know they like something where because some of our people what how they say they do something. Me, I don't know. I don't know what they do there. What did they do now? I don't know. And they work your way you want. Just can't be another thing for una here because una not get topic when I want go talk. If you not get topic where you want to talk, just open your platform like this. Start to they call people and they say, hey, happy Sunday, happy Nenemi, how was your day? Good. Then when you go carry another person, matter you put on for head, they carry they go. Uma again no bu when you know. Mona started they insult that lady, Mona they insult on herself because na no get sense. Person wey get sense, you know they come and come they insult another woman, come they give her name. You not get name. If they still look you from head to toes, how they mean your paya argue where? Huh? I hear me na ya move on away. Now just see person, now just see person, now just say this one from today we they call you like this. What about you? You not get? About my makeup yawa ha. Ha. I bet my brothers and sisters, me I live on, I'm gonna go enjoy myself because all these things, if I just see them for social media, that one say me I show my face. Me I can't show my face. Me they can't me join all these abadabidi people where they do abadabidi. Some of them good though, not be all of them. Those one where they say, no now people, some people they where they say, no my negbe. They can't me join them. No. Some of them, they don't even know they are left and right. They don't even know where they want. When the time go come, go say stop. They don't know the time when they'll say, okay, I want to stop. I don't want to do this thing again. They don't know because you want to make people come they watch you. People where they watch you, they don't see. You watch or see. And I'll call your platform. You open and you they cause another person. I go call they put like for them. I'll call the clap for you. Hey, you are doing it well. They not even say be me. Nonsense. I bet my brothers and sisters, no, don't talk my way. I want to talk finish because all these people they not go change. Since all my me okay never they not go change. They not go change. See this London, this woman where they for London where they beat that they waiting that they call her and don't even forget her name self. One of our Benin person, if you never see that kind thing, the rest of them, they not go get sense. They not get, not be lie. The lady where they for London where they do waiting, where see they do live video. Many people see her now. I not remember her name again. Many people see her. Some of our people, our old Benin person, man receive you know what to be, stay your lane. They don't know what to be, stay your lane. Because we say we be Benin, we good well, we all talk our for mat, we'll come up for that. And the way you go jump the one way, we not go finish for that. Anywhere we catch you, who receive next time you will know the time where you'll say, may I stay my lane. I bet my brothers and sisters on a happy Sunday again. Wanna remain blessed. I beg. I know they like oppress. If they talk to a person, we not they reply you, not they oppress. It's not good. You talk today, tomorrow you not talk to you. Next tomorrow you'll still continue. Not good now, It's not good. You'll come up for there. when we have a way, if they still do one to you, you know good. Why you they do one? Because you said the lady not the reply. Fear go let una do one to person where they reply una. Now fear not let una do one. You go use it, you come out once, you go come out 3 times. I been now let you one night that they give information. As they say they give you information, I say they tell they give you other one information. I get information of this, that, and then I get information. The information don't meet me. Another, they wanna go jam person who are not supposed to jam for this social media. Una go know say even at babari at ije. No, so I never know. Even at babari at ije. If they talk to una know they take una, know they take. Even husband way marry una put for as they talk to una say for yekede. Una know they hear. Stay your lane. Something on social media, you talk at once, 2, finish, come on for there. Not on the repeater. The repeater. Umana emioke herene ukpa worry. If you not see topic where you want talk another thing. If you not even come online self, not be say they will beat you. Who will come beat you if you not come online? Every day by day to come online. Now wait, I beg. Now you work. Now they come every day online. I don't even think. I'm not even sure. Say they even they cook for yourself. Which time you take do this one, do the other one. Come like when they talk another person matter. Not be saying na another thing. Now you want to talk about. Just to come out, come insult person. Person will just sit down in you. You they call them different name. The day we go come out, come insult you now. You go say I not do anything. I did my own. Because no, anywhere they not tear boy there yourself. Not be the way you go curse me now, I go reply you. Maybe the day where you know even expect. That one go come out, it go come they curse you. I beg, una bye my brothers and sisters. They're not going to learn. They will never learn. That is the problem. See, one go use head. They'll use one. Take show example. Use the head. Take knock war. The rest, they'll be big. They'll come stay their lane. They'll come know how to stay your lane. That time they'll come know. Now the truth I they talk because you know say not be as me be now something day where you talk I go just say I beg nothing there. Some people if you talk you not go reply you and then no move and that day now you go know say I said before no the one they talk for social media I don't talk for social media I want go sit down for his house he go they wait you may catch you. And that's the night you go know say I said but not the one way you declare for social media now they press like now they press love you they give my viewers my fans I don't know the kind of fans where they get my fans you are welcome you do this one that day your fans not go there they will receive it when they receive the slap where they will give you. I just pray may one day Mona go talk to person where head where they spark now that very day now I go know say may I stay my lane. I got any here you go just come out. I don't say anybody know that because if person bring something for social media, talk at once too. Come on for there, it's okay. Not be the one you just carry for contract. You want to go talk from January to December. It's very bad. Especially when they don't talk and say we don't need this thing again. Mona beg, mona forget. Some people they not go here. I waiting your time. I said do for me. They go carry they go. If now you call if they do that kind of thing, you like them. When you see it, if now me that they do this kind of thing, I not like them. You forget when person you say this thing we not need that again. Wanna come on for there. Don't put your hand again. Because una they put fire, una they put more, which is very bad. May I leave una my brothers and sisters. So time they go. I get what to do. I just see the video. I see yesterday, the day before yesterday, today now say waiting, walking now. Walking, I'm a good wagon, why go wagon? If they not talk on herself. Jamal's first lady, she's a bit talk. As soon as get man, so she still gets. Nobody knows a bit talk. But what better you Una bye my brothers and sisters. One love, remain blessed. Una happy weekend again. Una bye.